God. What the? There he is. Got him. Got him. Got him that time. Oh shit.
What do we got?
What's up, everybody? It's BigWrig Outdoors. Here with Eastern PA Fishing. We got a cooler full of live bait right here, some chubs and some green sunfish. We're gonna soak them in here in the Schuylkill River. It's really low today, so we're actually gonna run downstream to where it's a little deeper. I don't want to bottom out again. If you saw my little short, you know what happened when, you know, I'm not want to talk about it. Anyways, if you like this video, please smash that thumbs up button. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on our way there and once we start getting lines. So, peace. Not going so fast. Don't touch the anchor. I got it. The net needs to get out of the way. Spicy boy. Piece of shit. We're going on a trip. I forgot my fucking net. Oh god, you spicy. Oh, you spicy.
That's a bite.
Alright, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, got my first creek chub all hooked up here. I'm gonna let the first bite go to Eastern PA Fishing so you can feel what a real dinosaur. Oh, I need to get a better cast than that.
Oh man, alright. Getting some action on lure.
Farewell, my champion. Oh,
There you go.
first catch of the day is
More bait.
a nice sized little bluegill here. Oh, ow, 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 ow. We got plenty of bait, so.
Yeah, it's fun back. Give him another chance.
Let them grow big.
See you next year.
Let them go. Let them grow. Alright.
Bass fish, do you need me?
Yeah, I need you to get that net ready. He doesn't even know he's hooked yet. Alright guys, we got our first fish of the day. I think it's a little guy.
Doesn't look too little.
Oh, you got me wrapped up around my other line.
Yeah, I see. What do you think, is it flathead or channel?
Oh shit. Not enough to pull the boat.
My man's BigWrig. First action of the day.
Oh shit.
What do we got here, bro?
He got me tangled up. That's what he's got.
Tangled up. That's the problem with having so many lines out at once, bro.
I need you to
I got you.
get that one out of the way.
Dude, there's one on here too. No, I'm just kidding.
That's a channel cat. Channel kitty.
Oh, this one's Rob.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I see him. He ain't that big. Little guy.
Wait, I got him. No net, no net, no net.
Huh?
No net.
Oh yeah, because you're all tangled.
I'm all tangled. Just hold the rod. Get this out of the way.
go, dude.
Ugh. Shit.
Hey, man. Who knew that channel catfish like
Chubs?
Yeah, live creek chubs.
Who doesn't like live creek chubs? Oh, you bit, you biting son of a bitch! Ow! Let go so I can get the hook out of your mouth. I can't get the hook out. Oh my god, you got me all fucked up. Oh shit. Careful with that hook. That hook's still laying around. Alright, fish is free.
Looks like
Open your damn mouth. Hey, he does not want to open his mouth.
Chris is all tangled up over there.
This channel cat weighs 5.9 pounds. 6 pound channel.
Ain't bad.
Nope.
He got worms on his tail there. Yeah, he's bleeding from his tail.
Yeah, he's got worms.
He's got worms.
Oh god, you guys are all messed up here.
That's a dirty catty.
Dirty kitty from the Schuylkill, guys. Gonna get him on back to his little tree fort.
There he goes. Don't hook himself again.
Holy crap. Man, he's really screwed me up here.
Yeah, dude.
I'll be back. Alright guys, let's see if we can get a little top water action. Got a little Rebel John here. Just a wee little guy. We can get a wee little bass. We can slap at the bass. I'll tell you what, for a wee little guy, she don't pop, man.
Real.
Oh God! Is that a small bass? Miss it though. Swing and a miss. These little baby bass, bro. Oh, another miss. There he is. Got him. Got him. Got him that time.
Good.
Small jaw? Oh yeah. Alright guys. Nice little small jaw here.
There you go.
We'll release him back over here. Oh, he's knocked unconscious. Yeah, he knocked himself out. He'll swim off here in a minute. Oh, there he goes. Oh God, I missed him. That was a better one. On the front there. Oh. All right, guys, we got a bite.
Yeah.
Oh, you want it?
No.
Star drag, star drag, star drag. Turn it. Turn this little star piece.
It's all the way up, dude.
Oh, I think this is another channel cat. If it's a, oh, of course, it's got me fucking tangled in my other line. How? I don't even know how it's possible.
Oh, I got it.
Oh my God, another freaking tangle. Oh, it's a flathead. It's the first flathead of the night.
Oh, that is a flathead.
God, I hope you guys can see this. This is badass. Where's my hat? Oh. Oh yeah. Look at him. Oh. That's a nice boy. That's a nice boy.
That?
Oh no. No. Oh God. What the hell?
Yeah, here.
No.
Just slide him in, dude. Just slide him in.
Got him.
Yeah.
60-pound line, baby. Woo!
Yeah, man. Where's my action, bro?
You gotta let them soak, man. Alright, we're gonna get it.
Alright, Chris has got the first flathead of the night. I hope you guys can see that. I am using my cell phone as light. It's probably terrible. But that is like, what do you think that thing weighs? About 16 pounds, dude?
I'll tell you in a second.
Nice. Cathead, flathead. Damn, dude. That's a good looking fish.
He weighs 12 pounds. And you just got hit. You just got a hit. 12 pounds. 12 pounds. It looks like the bite's picking up, boys. Full moon. Just landed a 12-pounder. I wish I could find my light. Wow, there we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. First flathead of the night. Got one channel, one flatty. This guy weighs about 12 pounds. I'm gonna get him on the release here.
There we go. At least someone's getting some action. Hopefully Chris will share with me here.
Oh God. And they always tell you when they're ready.
Looks like you smacked your hand pretty good on that.
I got a little dunk-a-dunk on that too.
Well, there we go. Action seems to be
Woo!
picking up. Second catfish of the night. Chris has 2 and some small.
What's up, everybody? I just landed that 12-pound flathead. That makes one channel, one smallmouth, one flathead for the night. If the bite's picking up, then we're definitely going to stay out here longer. We might bump to a couple spots, hit a couple brush piles along the banks, along some bridges. So we'll see you on the next bite, guys. What's up, everybody's BigWrig Outdoors. We're just wrapping up here on the Schuylkill River. The work night, school night, responsibilities. Yeah, did okay today. We had a bunch of bites everywhere. We got bites everywhere we went. I caught a 6-pound channel, a little dink, smallmouth, and a 12-pound flathead. Not a bad night. Could have been better, but I'll take that any day of the week. So if you guys like this video, please smash that thumbs up button, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, thoughts, feelings, concerns, whatever. And yeah, some concerns. Okay, Karen.
I have a couple concerns.
May I speak to your manager, please? But yep, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Oh,